Hi, today we're going to look at how to fit a Pinlock to a Spada helmet. So first off, we need to get the visor off the helmet. So to do this, fully open it, pull the catch forward, and then pull the visor towards you and lift at the same time. Repeat this on both sides, and the visor is now free from the helmet. So now we get our Pinlock out of the packet. So there are two sides to the Pinlock, and the side which needs to face the inside of the visor is the side with the silicone bead on it. Be sure that the inside of your visor is clean before you do this, and I normally put this on my side, use an arm just to flex it outwards, and then we attach the two pins around this little clip and then release. There is a cover on here which can be peeled off, and then when it comes to reinstalling the visor, get the small tab underneath and then push down, and then repeat on the other side, small tab underneath the front, push down, and then check. And that is how you fit a Pinlock to a Spada helmet.